ingredients. That is smoked whitefish. This smells so good. Also, look, best kitchen helper ever, second best kitchen helper ever, and third best kitchen helper ever. Does it smell like fish in here? Look at them. They're like, Mom, we smell the fishes. You might get a little tiny nibble of smoked fish. Maybe a little tiny nibble. But first, we gotta make some dip. Welcome back to Snow Dog's Cooking, where if I can cook it, so can you. Greg brought some smoked whitefish over. And we were trying to figure out what we could do with it because we're doing game night tonight. And I said, let's make smoked whitefish dip, which if you've never had before, it is amazing. It is a great way to use smoked whitefish. You can also use smoked salmon for this, which if you've never had it before, delicious. It is delicious. You could also just eat it as is. But we are going to show you how to make smoked whitefish dip. So what are we going to need for this? You're going to need 8 ounces of smoked whitefish. I'm going to measure that out in a minute. You're going to need 1/4 cup of mayonnaise, 1/4 cup of sour cream, 8 ounces of cream cheese. I'm using the whipped cream cheese because game night is tonight. This is just going to make it go a little faster. You can also use black cream cheese. Just let it get to, like softened, so almost room temperature. 2 tablespoons of regular dill weed. If you're going to use fresh, you can probably use more. I don't know, like 1/4 cup of fresh, but I am using dried, so I'm going to do 2 tablespoons of this. 1 tablespoon of horseradish. This is optional. You can leave this out. We like that little extra bite in ours, so 1 tablespoon of horseradish and then a tablespoon of lemon juice. This is going to be a really easy recipe. Let's get to making. Look at how beautiful this is. So if you are using a fresh smoked whitefish like this, you are going to want to take the skin off and take any of the bones that you can find out. And then, like I said, you're going to need about 8 ounces of this. So I'm going to weigh this out as I clean up this fish. There we go. So a tip I have as you are going through and cutting up your fish, kind of like smoosh it a little bit, and that'll help you find any of the excess bones. You want the bones and the skin removed, so we did that. And we do have a couple of little pieces for the dogs. Would you like a smoked whitefish? Just a little tiny bite. Is it good? Yeah. How about you? Would you like one? Third best kitchen helper. Oh, there she is. She's like, wait, is it the fish time? It's fish time. Fish time for you. Ready? A little tiny bite. That's it. Little tiny bites for you. That's it. I know you girls love fish, don't you? Okay, now I gotta wash my hand for the 10 millionth time. You'll wash your hands a lot when pulling apart fish like this. Your hands will start to smell like fish. If you have kitchen gloves, that would probably be a better idea. Now we're going to take our mixing bowl and we're going to add 1/4 cup of mayonnaise of your choice, 1/4 cup of sour cream into the bowl, the entire 8-ounce container of whipped cream cheese into the bowl. Yeah, I might have to scoop that out. All right, maybe not the entire container. You want to try some? You wait your turn. You want to lick? Oh, you just flung it everywhere. Hurry up, Memphis. You get a little bit. Okay, you want a little bit? All right, all 3 of you at once. You want some? Memphis, it's up here. You want? Would you get out of her way? Jeez, oh Pete, here, Memphis. Memphis is like, I am a polite girl. Okay, now can you all 3 get in there at once? Or 2 of you? Go ahead, Elle. All right, apparently it's only 2 at a time. Okay, now I'm throwing this container in the trash. I'm surprised you're in here, Kira. She's like, Mom, still smells like fish in here. It is amazing. I think in the beginning I said 2 tablespoons of dried dill. It's 1 tablespoon of dried or 1/4 cup of fresh. So there's a correction for that. 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Then about a tablespoon of horseradish. I am using the extra hot horseradish, so I'm using a little bit less to start. I'll add more as need. And now I'm going to mix this up before I add the fish. Once that is all nice and mixed together, and I just used this because there's cream cheese in it. I just smash as I mix to kind of get it all mixed together. We're going to add our 8 ounces of smoked whitefish. Now, I'm not just going to dump this in. I am going to add this little by little to do a double check for bones. And I'm glad I did that because I found 2 bones. Out of all of that, apparently I missed 2. Is that one right there? Nope. All right, now we're going to mix it all together. There we go. Had to get a good thumbnail, right? All right, I'm going to have the boys come up and try it and see what they think. You should refrigerate this for at least a couple of hours before trying it. I'm going to let them try it, then throw it in the refrigerator for game night for later. Okay, Greg brought us the whitefish, which means you should probably try it, Greg. I did try to make sure to pick all the bones out.
That sounds good. Did you?
Yeah, I did. Took the skin off, picked the bones out twice. I did a bone check twice. So if you do get a bone, sorry.
That'll be gone.
Yeah, I think so too. I tried it too on a fork, and I'm like, it's gonna be gone. Yeah? The dogs also maybe had a little tiny bite of whitefish.
Did they?
Yeah.
She looks like she wants another one.
Yeah.
I know. She's been in here the whole time like, this is all I want is
Usually
whitefish.
she's not in the kitchen.
Right? So it's a win?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, well, I'm going to put you can have another bite if you want, but I'm going to put the lid on it and let it chill.
That's amazing.
Because it'll probably be a little bit better chilled as well. But
Yeah,
it's,
I think it would be.
you guys are like, no, we're just going to eat the whole bowl before anybody else gets here. So clearly that's a win. Well, now you guys need to go fishing and get some more whitefish.
I'll eat it all.
Right? I know. Ooh, it's so good. So there you have it. If you have smoked whitefish and you're looking for something to make with it, make that. If you don't have smoked whitefish, go get some and make it. It's delicious. It's a big thing here in northern Michigan. I'm sure it's a big thing a lot of different places where people do a lot of fishing, but try it. It's really good. All right, you guys. We hope you enjoyed this fun, easy, short video today. As always, thanks so much for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Stay positive, dream big, and we will see you again soon. Goodbye, audience.